Hey guys, welcome back to Insomnia Extreme. Today's video is for just a fun, simple black light UV makeup, and if you're interested in seeing how it's brought to life, then just keep watching. First step for me was to actually block down my brows, which I had filmed a tutorial for previously, so that's why it's not shown here, but I will link it in the description and in the cards. And then I moved on to basing out the shapes I wanted. I was going for more triangle geometric shapes, but you could do whatever shapes or style you wanted and would work with this idea. If you are doing straight lines, it's good to kind of remember that you are on a curved surface on your face and neck, so you want to kind of just keep looking straight, and if you need to, step back and take a picture if you're trying to create very straight lines, because you almost have to curve them around the different bumps and recesses in your face to give the illusion of straight lines. To fill in all of the triangles, I was just using SUVA Beauty's Hydra Effects palette. Their blue one that's called UV Taffies. It's a lot of kind of pastel colors, but they're all activated under black light. And to do this, I was honestly just using different small brushes and filling them kind of in little splotchy sections. This is why it's super forgiving, because you don't have to worry about having clean lines, you don't have to worry about how well they blend together, because they're all gonna pop like crazy under black light anyways. The only thing you might want to do is kind of avoid going all the way outside of the lines you've laid down. We are going to clean them up at the end, but it's just to make your life a little bit easier. But you can always just remove them with a little bit of water if you need to. And just for anyone unfamiliar with the Hydra liners from SUVA, they are water activated eyeliners, so they are safe for the eye area. They have quite a few other palettes and colors in the Hydra Effects line as well, but I find they're some of the strongest blacklight paints I've found, some of the most reactive and brightest, so they're what I like to use a lot of the time. Once all of the colors were down, I went ahead and kind of cleaned up all of the lines by outlining them with a UV white paint. SUVA doesn't actually have a UV white, so this is actually from Cameleon Body Art. And then just with a fine detail brush, I was able to go along the outside. This is where the sketches at the beginning will really come in handy, because it gives you a really good, clear indicator of where you should be laying down these lines. And then from there, you might find yourself in need of a small kitty break, and if your cat comes for pets, it's an absolute golden rule that you must provide them. And then once you have satisfied the cat gods, you can continue lining and finishing up the look. The last thing I did was just add mascara and lashes. This is just to help give a little bit more definition to the eyes so they don't completely get lost in the UV paint. And if you are someone who wears contacts, you may find yourself wanting some blacklight lenses here to kind of bring the whole look together. But as for me, all I did was throw on a final wig, add some bobby pins to it, because why not? And then that was it for my UV geometric look. Super simple one, I know, but I have kind of been just having a little bit more fun with creative paints lately while I've been going through some stuff, so I hope you still enjoyed this one, and maybe it'd be easier for you guys to use in your own looks. Huge shout out to laurakalmakoff. I will have her links down below. She's someone who just has always inspired me with her line work and graphic makeup, so I definitely was channeling a little bit of her in this one. But overall, I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. As always, thank you so much for watching. I, of course, will see you next time, so until then, bye guys!